Are you looking for the best Bluetooth car kits? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Bluetooth car kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. IMDEN Bluetooth 5.0 FM Transmitter for Car. The IMDEN Bluetooth 5.0 FM transmitter for car is a multifunctional device that offers a 2-port USB car charger, hands-free calling, and high-quality music streaming. The Bluetooth car FM transmitter can be paired with all Bluetooth-enabled devices, such as smartphones and tablets, and the high-performance microphone with noise suppression CVC technology ensures crystal clear calls. The device also comes with built-in safety protection, including overcurrent protection and short-circuit protection. What we like: easy Bluetooth connection, good sound quality, multiple USB ports, affordable upgrade, durable build quality. What we don't like: occasional sound disruption, mono sound at high volume. Number 2. UGREEN Bluetooth Car Adapter. UGREEN Bluetooth Car Adapter is a plug-and-play device that allows you to add Bluetooth to your car or home audio system, enabling you to stream music and receive phone calls without any hassle. With Bluetooth version 5.0 and SBC codec, it delivers high-fidelity stereo sound, while the built-in microphone enables hands-free calling. It is easy to use and connects automatically to your phone when you turn on the car. Made of durable zinc alloy connectors and a premium TPE elastic cable, this Bluetooth car adapter is compact and portable. What we like: seamless connectivity, compact and sleek design, no battery required, good sound quality, automatic connection. What we don't like: audio quality may slightly vary, microphone quality not optimal. Number 3. COMSOON Bluetooth 5.0 Receiver for Car. Introducing the COMSOON Bluetooth Receiver, a versatile device that allows you to enjoy wireless streaming music in your car or at home. With its Bluetooth 5.0 chip, you can easily connect it to non-Bluetooth car audio systems, home stereos, speakers, or wired headphones via the 3.5mm AUX adapter. The intelligent noise reduction technology ensures crystal clear calling sounds by eliminating echo and blocking out background noise. With up to 16 hours of battery life and the ability to use it while charging, this Bluetooth receiver is perfect for long drives or listening sessions. The built-in microphone and hands-free calling feature make it convenient and safe to make calls while on the move. Plus, with dual connection capability, you can pair it with 2 devices simultaneously, ensuring you never miss any important calls. Experience the convenience and versatility of the COMSOON Bluetooth receiver today. What we like: easy connection process, excellent audio quality, long battery life, compact design, seamless music and directions. What we don't like: connection issues in extreme temperatures, loud voice prompts. Number 4. UGREEN Bluetooth 5.4 AUX Car Adapter. UGREEN Bluetooth Car Adapter, equipped with Bluetooth 5.4, offers high-fidelity audio with faster and stable connections. The multifunction button allows easy control for volume, calls, and music playback. Its plug-and-play feature automatically pairs with your phone, supporting dual devices for music and calls simultaneously. The enhanced microphones provide clearer hands-free calls by reducing road noise. With a durable nylon-braided cable, it ensures optimal signal transmission and a prolonged service life. What we like: easy setup and connectivity, high audio quality, convenient control buttons, strong adhesive backing, quick Bluetooth connection. What we don't like: occasional audio skipping, buttons are a bit loud. Number 5. Scosche BT-FM9 Bluetooth FM Transmitter. The Scosche BT-FM9 transmitter enhances your driving experience by allowing seamless music streaming and hands-free calling. By connecting to your car's FM radio, you can enjoy high-quality sound without the hassle of wires. When you receive a call, you can answer it easily, keeping your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road. The device also plugs directly into your car's cigarette lighter, providing unlimited listening time while charging your devices with dual USB ports. With voice command support for Siri and Google Assistant, controlling your audio is safer and more convenient. What we like: easy Bluetooth connectivity, clear sound quality, multiple charging options, hands-free calling, simple setup and operation. What we don't like: low audio volume, interference issues reported.